Hello, students. I hope that you are doing well. So welcome to term 2 of this academic year 2021. So in mathematics, we are going to be using this book, Targeting Mathematics 1B. So let's get ready and we begin with unit 1. So we are going to talk about comparing length. Comparing length. Okay, so we have some vocabulary that we use when we are comparing length. Okay, for example, we have got long, longer than, longest. Okay, now for this case, it means that you already have something that is long. Okay, look, this blue bar is long, but the green bar is longer than the blue bar, whereas the black bar is the longest. Okay, so we say that the blue bar is long, the green bar is longer than the blue bar, but the black bar is the longest. You understand? So when we say longest, it means that this black bar is longer than the green one and the blue one. Okay, so let's get an example here. Look at these three colored pencils. We have the pink one, we have the blue one, and the green one. Okay, you can see that they do not have the same length. So we need to compare them. Remember, we are going to be using longer, longer than, and longest. Okay, so look at the pink colored pencil. We see that the pink colored pencil is long. So here we say long. Okay, then the blue colored pencil is longer than the pink one. You see? So we say the blue colored pencil is longer than the pink colored pencil. And the green colored pencil is the longest. Okay, so the green colored pencil is longer than the blue one and longer than the pink one. So that's why we say longest. Okay, I hope that is okay. Now, sometimes we may have some things that are already short. All of them, they are short. So we can compare them using short, shorter than, and shortest. We can say it again, short, shorter than, shortest. You see that the blue bar is short, but you see that the green bar is shorter than the blue bar, and the black bar is the shortest. So it means that it is shortest. It is very, very small. Sorry, it is very, very short compared to the green one and the blue one. So we say that the black bar is the shortest. Let us get an example to understand this very well. Okay, look at these three erasers. Okay, we have the blue eraser, the purple eraser, and the yellow eraser. So you see that all of them, they are not long, okay? But we say that the blue eraser is short. So we say the blue eraser is short. Short, okay? But the purple eraser is shorter than the blue eraser, okay? So we say that the purple eraser is shorter, okay? Shorter than. Then the yellow eraser is shortest. You see? So they are all not long. So that's why we use short, shorter than, and shortest. The blue one is short. The purple one is shorter than the blue one. And the yellow one is the shortest. Okay? All right. So you see that? Okay, let's compare the height. Okay, now when we compare height, we say tall, taller than, and tallest. Okay, now look at this blue bar. The blue bar is tall, okay, but the green bar is taller than the blue bar, and the black bar is the tallest. Okay, so when we compare height, we don't use long, longer, and longest, but we use tall, taller, and tallest. Okay, so you see that the blue bar is tall, the green bar is taller than the blue bar, and the black bar is the tallest. Okay, so we use this, for instance, let's say we need to compare the height of students or children, you know. Look at, for example, we look at this family. Okay, now you see that this is a girl, this is a woman, and this is man. Okay, now we can say that the girl is tall. Okay, the girl is tall. Okay, then the woman is taller than the girl. The woman is taller than the girl, and the man is tallest. Okay, when we compare the height of people or something that is standing, we don't use long, longer, and longest, but we use tall. So the girl is tall, the woman is taller than the girl, and the man is the tallest. Okay, I believe that you have understood that very well. Okay, sometimes we may be comparing the length and we find that the two things have got the same length. For example, look at rope A and rope B. You see that rope A and rope B, they are equal. You see, we say that rope C is the longest. You see that? And you see that rope D is the shortest. Of all of these ropes, we see that rope D is the shortest. Okay? Now, when they have the same length, for example, rope A and rope B, we can say that rope A is as long as rope B. Let's write that. Rope A is as long as rope B. So this means that they have the same length. So it means that they are equal. Now, rope C is the longest. Rope C is the longest. Okay, and rope D is the shortest. I hope you understand that. So here we are comparing four things, and two of them, they are equal. So that's why we say rope A is as long as rope B. Then rope C, as you can see, it is the longest, and rope D is the shortest. So I believe that you have understood this very, very well. Let's do some practice. So you can get your book and open page 6. Look at page 6. Okay. Page 6. Tick the correct answer. A. Who is taller? Who is taller? Look at these two children. Whom do you think is taller? Okay, so you see that this boy is taller than the girl. So we tick here. Okay, part B. Which is longer? Which is longer? We have got a spoon and a fork. So you see that a spoon is longer than the fork. So we tick there. Okay. All right. Part 2. Draw a rectangle that is the shortest. Draw a rectangle that is the shortest. Now, look at these two rectangles. Now, we need the shortest. So we are going to make sure that the rectangle that we draw is very, very short compared to this one and this one. Okay, look at that. So this one is the shortest. Okay, all right. Now we are going to do the exercise. I want you to go to page 7. Page 7. Fill in the blanks with the words below. So these are some of the words that you need to use. We have this one: shorter, shortest, longer, longest, tall, taller, and tallest. Okay, now look at this picture. Okay, we have got Let's call this one Ravi, and this one Peter. Okay, this is lamp post, lamp post, and this one is flagpole, flagpole. Okay, so let's answer this question together. Ravi is as dash as Peter. Now, when you look at Ravi and Peter, they have equal height. They have equal height. So we are going to say that Ravi is as tall. Ravi is as tall as Peter. Then the lamppost, this is the lamppost, is taller than the two boys. You see, when you look at the lamppost, you see that it is above the two boys. So we say that the lamppost is taller than the two boys. Taller. Okay, and the flagpole is the tallest. You see the level where it is taller than the lamppost and taller than the boys. So we say tallest. Okay, so I believe you have understood that. Now, I want you to go ahead and look at page number 8. Then you answer question B. So I believe that you have understood how to compare length and height of objects. So let's stop here for today until we meet again next time. Goodbye.